In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a passkey in Confluence. A passkey is a modern, secure way to sign in without relying only on a password. It can use things like your device's fingerprint, face recognition, or a security key to verify that it's really you. Setting this up for your Atlassian account helps keep your Confluence spaces safer and makes logging in faster and more convenient. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, make sure you're already signed into your Atlassian account, the same one you use for Confluence. Open your browser and go to the Atlassian administration area. You can usually get there by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner of any Atlassian product and choosing the option that takes you to account or admin settings. Once you land on the administration page for your account, look for a link or section labeled Account Settings and click it. This will open your personal Atlassian account management page. Here, you'll see different tabs or sections related to your profile. Find and select the section called Security. This is where Atlassian keeps all of your authentication and protection options in one place. Inside the security section, look for the option that says Create and Manage Passkeys. Go ahead and click that. This is the dedicated area where you can add new passkeys, see existing ones, and remove any that you no longer use. If you've never set one up before, this page may be mostly empty, and that's completely fine. Now the important part is to follow the on-screen prompts. Atlassian will guide you through the passkey setup, and the exact steps may vary a little depending on the device and browser you're using. For example, you might see a prompt asking whether you want to store the passkey on your current device, use a platform authenticator like Touch ID or Windows Hello, or connect a physical security key. When these prompts appear, carefully read each message and choose the option that best matches how you prefer to log in. If your device supports biometrics, it's usually easiest to allow your browser to create the passkey and confirm using your fingerprint, face, or device PIN. Make sure you stay on the same browser and device until the process is complete, and avoid refreshing the page while it's setting up. Once the final confirmation appears, your new passkey will be listed in the passkey management section. The next time you sign in to Atlassian or Confluence, you will be able to use this passkey as a quick, secure way to verify your identity.